You know what they say, Derek. No glove, no love. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. We only have 19 posters remaining of the Mikey Pipes version 2.0 2025. If you ain't testing your guessing poster, $42.50, a donation to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy Charitable Organization will score you a poster mailed and autographed by me. And I'll even give you a St. Mike Happy Holiday sticker. Check out today's service call video, brought to you by Mikey Pipes. All right, next service call. Oh, waiting for us at the door. Ain't that lovely?
Hey guys.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
I'm Mike, you know me. This is Derek.
How you doing, Mike?
I'm doing well. How may we help you today?
I have a clogged kitchen sink.
Okay. All right, so you have an 1.5-inch drain line here. Okay. Does it clog up right away? Slow drain or?
Yeah, it's been clogging on and off for a while.
Yeah, I would say that's kind of slow. Wow. Yeah. Wow, it's still. Wow. I guess that's filled with a lot of cocky. I'm already here. Don't worry about it. I'm good. Oh yeah, thanks. Need that. Easier on the bones.
Cleaning products that actually do get used.
Oh yeah, except the ones that are still in the plastic. Oh. We won't call the housewife out on any of that right there.
When you're done, don't even bother putting it back in until we're good, okay?
Okay. I am going to take everything out only because if I do make a mess, it's easy to clean up, and it's better to clean just the counter top bottom than the whole entire thing. So. Fire extinguisher probably best right in front. Water filter. Okay, we're getting there. We are getting there. Only a few more 1,000 pieces. If you don't have fun with what you're doing, don't bother doing it. Oh, look at this, Derek. You know what this is? Oh my God, you just got scared. It's a grabber. All right. You know what they say, Derek. No glove, no love. All right, folks. It's cold. I'll feel the rest of them in the house. I'm going to take apart the trap. So I got a bucket nearby. All right, let's loosen up the other side of the union. Let's see. I don't see any gold bullion or bearer bonds. No, just cocky. Ask them if they have like a laundry sink or another sink that we can rinse that out and clean it out. Let's loosen up the no-hub coupling. Take the outside of the trap out. And there she is. Let's snake her out. I'm gonna have to lay down a little bit here. As much as I don't want to. Make sure we got the leaks. Much faster than it was before, but not 100%, but it is maintaining roughly 2 gallons a minute. Nothing dripping underneath. 1.5-inch piping. Really should be 2-inch, but we are draining.